So, you have purchased a 3D scanner and are now struggling to actually put it to good use because you don't even know how to use any reverse engineering or inspection software. Many companies love to sell you a 3D scanner and wish you well in generating any meaningful output data. Or better yet, they didn't even sell you the right software to build CAD models or inspection reports to begin with. Just about anybody can run a 3D scanner, but the skill set to CAD model a complex part or assembly from 3D scan data can be a challenge. Or what about creating an inspection report with over 300 callouts and complex GD&T? EMS, with over 22 years of experience, offers training on many of today's advanced reverse engineering, CAD modeling, and inspection software. Don't sign up for any generic cookie-cutter classroom training. Contact EMS for one-on-one custom training focused on your industry, your applications, and your parts. Whether it's at your location, one of our offices, or virtually, EMS can put together a custom training program based on your equipment, software, skill set, and number of users to get you up and running in no time. EMS has decades of real-world experience with all types of measurement hardware, including handheld 3D scanners, ARM-based probes and 3D scanners, industrial CT scanners, structured light 3D scanners, optical probe and 3D scanners, laser trackers, long-range 3D scanners, and photogrammetry. And as we've mentioned, hardware means nothing without software, and we are experts in software such as reverse engineering, dimensional inspection, GD&T, CAD, rendering and animation, analysis, and more. So if you would like to get your team up to speed with one of the most respected companies in the world of 3D scanning and metrology, contact EMS at 877-845-2700 or info@ems3d.com. Don't let another day go by struggling to use your equipment and software. Get your team trained and productive with EMS.